How to upload Jupyter Notebook to GitHub. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can upload Jupyter Notebooks to GitHub. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up github.com and make sure that you're logged into your GitHub account. Once you're here on the dashboard, navigate to your profile icon at the top right and go to your repositories. Now you have to create a new repository, so for that click on new button and you will land on this page. So first of all, you have to enter your repository name. Under that, provide a description, but that is optional, so you can skip that. If you want to make your repository public, you can select public, or if not, go to the private. Once you have done that, click on create repository. So once the repository has been created, now you have to upload your Jupyter or Jupyter Notebook file to this repository. For that, if you navigate to this interface, here it says create a new file or upload an existing file. So click on uploading an existing file. Now click on choose your files. Now from your device, you have to select your notebook files. After that, click on open. So once you have added your Jupyter Notebook file, scroll down and there you have to add additional descriptions to your file as well. Once done, simply click on commit changes and then your Jupyter Notebook file will be added in your GitHub. And that's the way to upload Jupyter Notebook in GitHub. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.